Hello. Today we're going to be talking about short form video and vertical video. You probably noticed I've been posting a lot of shorts on my main channel and also on my Bwana Clips channel. Go subscribe right now. Do it. Short form video and vertical video has been taking the internet by storm for the past like 4 or 5 years. And I posted a tweet today that was kind of funny. I was like, remember we used to make fun of vertical video? Like when iPhone first came out, everybody was like taking videos of their phone vertically, and they were like, duh, rotate your phone, noob. Why are you taking vertical video? And all of a sudden, Snapchats and Instagrams later, vertical form and vertical video is like the norm for what we call short form content. And the reason why I'm talking about it today is because Twitch put out a message which kind of, accelerated the whole idea of this, is that the clips update that I talked about in my previous video, where Twitch put out a whole bunch of stuff that they're going to come out. Twitch put out a bunch of stuff that they're going to be. I can't speak. Twitch put out a bunch of stuff. I put out a bunch of stuff about Twitch, about putting out stuff that they're going to be coming out in 2023. One of the things was the advent of vertical video, what you see here. So the upcoming clips update, it's an experiment that lets streamers share clips from Twitch mobile app directly to the social channel of their choice. A feature that will help convert and share your content in a vertical and short form across social platforms and from the desktop. And then my Stream Smarter series, I can't speak, man. In our Stream Smarter series, I talk about the importance of short form video and taking your existing content or your clips or your highlights and making it in short form, posting it to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, etc., etc. So it's going to become even bigger this year. Now, while this is good, that Twitch already has something like this in the works to do this. This is good for people who don't know about other tools. There are other tools out there, and one that I recommend that everyone check out if you haven't already is called Join Combo or Combo. Go to joincombo.com, and I've been talking about this one for a long time. I think it came to my attention during the big Streamlabs debacle, when Streamlabs was caught stealing stuff from other people. Y'all forgot about that, didn't you? I didn't. And one of those people they stole stuff from was Combo. They essentially took the Combo's ideas and they implemented them almost one-to-one. And it was a big controversy, brouhaha, blah, 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 all that stuff. But I tried them out when I found out about that whole thing, and it's really, really good. It's very easy to use. If you don't know how to use a video editor, this is probably the number one thing you can do. Let's go to Combo and use this. So I recommend if you are looking for a vertical short form video solution, this thing will take in your existing Twitch clips, import them automatically, and then you can play with it and publish them to your favorite thing. And then the next thing is very, very new, something that I'm using today. This is the Atom TV vertical plugin. And this thing, to me, is one of the best ones, because what you can do is you can set up a separate panel in OBS, right? And it'll have a vertical form. Let me see if I can do some Bwanaception here. Look at that. Look at the Bwanaception. You see on the right side, this is the vertical plugin for Atom, which if I wanted to record this in the vertical format, I could do it right there in that particular window. And it's very, very cool because you can set up certain formats for certain games. Like I have a format for Overwatch. I have a format for Marvel Snap, which has my card list at the top. You probably noticed this on my Bwana Clips channel. And the vertical plugin makes this possible. And when I make a clip, I have a button on my Stream Deck, which uses StreamerBot and some other stuff. I have a button that will automatically take a vertical clip on top of my regular clip, and it also makes a highlight in NVIDIA Shadowplay. So I got 3 different ways of taking the same content and editing it, taking it and putting it wherever I want to go. So vertical TV and Join Combo are probably the 2 best solutions you can get today. But if none of that is good for you, none of that, you don't like any of that stuff, Twitch is coming out with something of their own. All right, so vertical form video is here to stay. Guys, it's going to be here a while. So if you're kind of resistant to the whole idea of vertical form and vertical short form video, you're losing out, because it's not hard to take advantage of. You can easily reuse your content on Twitch or whatever platform you're on YouTube. If you're making a long form video on YouTube, this is something I recommend you do. Just make a little highlight reel of it and put like a trailer, if you will, and throw it on a YouTube short and tell people, hey, go to my channel, check it out. It's a great way to advertise and cross promote your content all the time. I think that's why a lot of us create separate channels for our clips and stuff, because we want to promote our main live stream channel. And you can do that through YouTube Shorts and TikTok and all that stuff very, very easily. It's not a lot of effort. All you got to do is flip the aspect ratio. I'm not going to get into the technical parts of it, but there are tools out there. Twitch is making one. There's Combo, and then you got the ADEM vertical plugin all at your service. I can talk. This is Bwana from Bwana.tv. Just a little bit stuff about some vertical video, short form video. You can check it out. I'll put the links in the show descriptions and stuff like that. Patrons, I want to thank all of my Patreon patrons for being so awesome. You guys are the best. Look at this list of wonderful people. They are important. They are my favorites, and I will get them new presents for Christmas instead of used and busted stuff that I give my... I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do any of that. But anyway, thank you, my patrons, at patreon.com/Bwana. For as little as $5 a month, you can become a patron and you get a weekly newsletter. I do video updates and all kinds of stuff, behind the scenes stuff on the Discord. We have a special Discord channel. I post my videos early on there to get feedback on them before I post them to everywhere else. So it's a great way to get behind the scenes here. And I want you guys to check it out. Patreon.com/Bwana. You guys have a good day. Check it out. I'm out. Bye.